आहे टेबल सगळं. Damn guys.
आणि याला हे पण लागेल ना कवर.
ते तर वेगळं खरेदी लागेल.
तू सगळं असलं की
हो मी मार्केट मध्ये जातो. मी 12च्या नंतर केव्हा
Hi,
मार्केट मध्ये
hello.
जातो.
बस झालं का?
हो काय
तुम्ही यायला लावून टाकणार.
Damn guys.
त्याला पण लावावं लागेल.
हो याचं इथे
Oh you guys, it's so amazing and the camera is everything, like literally, oh my god, the picture quality and everything, like it's on point. And what I love about this is the cinematic video thingy. The feature cinematic is super great. We also did a photo shoot with this phone and it's just amazing. New vlog coming soon by the way, and it's just super great and I can't wait to share that video with you guys. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye you guys, love you.